It's a sweet spin on a bowl of strawberries and cream worked into everyone's favorite cereal snack. Food instructor Aimee Krey says her Strawberries and Cream Chex mix is one of those recipes you'll reach for again and again, and I can attest to this. This bowl level has gone down, what, about an inch since I've been standing here?
Yeah, it is very addictive, for sure.
It's so addicting.
It is delicious. I know. Can't stop, right?
No, really. You're going to have to talk the whole time so I can eat the whole time, pretty much.
Well, you eat. You can also help me.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, so Brooke, all we do is we start with Chex. You can use rice, wheat, whatever, corn Chex, whatever Chex you like. So you've got 2.5 cups, I've got 2.5 cups. We're adding it to 5 ounces of white candy melt and 5 ounces of red, and they're both vanilla flavored.
Okay.
So the strawberry flavor doesn't actually come in just yet.
Aimee said before, I'm going to be your friend and I'll take the red. But you're wearing a red shirt, so
this is true.
any chocolate splatters won't even show up.
It's already been all over my hands and my face and everything else.
This is what, I mean, Chex Mix in general, the standard basic recipe we all have, that's addicting enough. But when you start to throw in flavors like strawberries and cream, are you kidding me?
I know. Oh, it is so, and such a fun one for Valentine's this time of year.
The coloring is perfect.
Okay, so once you've got it nice and coated, you've got here a little bag of, it's a ½ cup of powdered sugar. Okay. So if you want to carefully start to scoop that in there, what you would do is just add all of that.
Is this one of those recipes too, you could adapt the flavor once you kind of know the basic how-to of it?
Yeah, well, you know what? Yes, you could, because for the strawberry, what we use, here, I'll let you add all of that at once, if we can maneuver that.
Sorry. Ooh. We're losing some.
Oh, you are doing so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, perfect. That'll work.
Everyone that falls on the counter is one less I get to eat. So there's motivation.
You want to shake that up really good? So what I have here, instead of powdered sugar, it's strawberry cake mix. So you could use like a lemon cake mix and do like, that would be so good.
Lemons and curd.
Actually, I have made their lemon Muddy Buddies. Of course, they're just white chocolate.
But so any cake mix flavor.
So a cake mix, yes, would work. And you could even add lemon zest to give it the bright lemon flavor. Oh my gosh, that would be so good. Okay, do you want to help me really quick? So we're going to do the same thing here, is just add that. You've got yours all coated.
So the white ones are just chocolate. The red ones will get that strawberry flavor. The red ones will actually be that, oh my gosh, and mine's hardening fast. I've been letting it. I was talking.
Well,
I was distracting you from your strawberry cast.
No, it's all good. Okay, there we go, and we'll do the same thing there. So now, while you've got that one nice, and what you would want to do is get these coated and then throw it out onto just some wax paper here is what I have.
And this recipe speaks to your mission, because you're a big proponent of getting kids in the kitchen, and this would be a great one.
This is a fun one for kids. I mean, hands-on, perfect one for kids. Now, if you want to throw yours on there too. So what we would do is let that kind of cool. Ooh, and it's pretty. Look at that red.
I was going to comment on that. I mean, the color, because Chex Mix in general, regardless of the variation or whether you're using the original, it's not necessarily a appetizing to the eye sort of recipe, but this is a soft, pretty pastel color.
It is, isn't it? So basically, our finished product, we've got these combined. Now you see our candies.
Yes.
Around Halloween. Yeah, my holidays.
Welcome to January, Aimee.
Yes. Valentine's, you can find these pretty red. You've got red candy corn. That's what got me thinking Halloween. Candy corn. And then these fun, different M&Ms. Any kind of Valentine sprinkles candy that you can find, you would just mix all those together.
Yes.
Yep. Everything in the bowl.
Okay.
And once that has solidified a little bit, we're just going to go ahead and throw it in now.
This is what you want to take your galentine, your girlfriend, right? For a little Valentine's treat.
Yes, and you can sit and eat that for days. There you go. Look at isn't that just pretty?
It is. See the soft pinks that I was talking about?
Yes,
those pretty
and there's
whites?
some finished right there. Anyways, very addictive.
I'm acquainted with the finished bowl. This is so good.
Yes.
All right.
Fun to make with the kids.
I love it.
Get them in the kitchen.
Because I have one more bite in my hand. Let me ask you about your cooking classes. What's coming up?
My next ones are coming up will be in Valentine's. Okay. Valentine's classes for the kids.
Not Halloween?
Not Halloween. We've passed that already. Okay. We're moving on to the new year.
But your whole goal is to get kids in the kitchen and give them the skills and techniques they need to succeed.
Builds confidence in the kids.
Love it. How can we sign up or view your schedule?
The best way to do it is just to contact me on Facebook. Okay. Just Aimee Krey.
All right.
And I can get details there.
We'll link you over to her Facebook page and also her website too if you want more details. And thank you for this addicting recipe. I don't know whether to thank you or to be mad at you, because it's going to go down fast.